All right, we are doing a product unboxing today. The Pro Eagle 3-ton floor jack has the nickname Kratos. I'm gonna open this bad dog up. Got it in the mail actually probably about a few weeks ago. A little bit more expensive than your regular floor jack, but a few reasons rightfully so. Now this thing is heavy. There we go. All right, let's pop this bad dog open. We'll set that right there. So, nice. Packaging looks good. All the pieces out. That, directions, wheels. Very nice. Bearing wheels. Must be the fronts. The rears. Ah. Bad dog. Done right away. I think that's how it goes. Look at that. Some hardware. Looks like a mini snap ring pliers. Whoops. Handle and handle. All right, set that down. So this is the Pro Eagle 3-ton. They do offer some smaller ones, 2-ton, then a 1.5-ton. I got the 3-ton just because I do use it for my pickup truck, which is a 3/4-ton diesel, along with the UTVs, which will actually probably be the main use of this jack, and I'll tell you why a little bit later in the video. But anyways, let's put some of this stuff together here. That's good. This up. That guy on. Good. Bam, there she is. Put my knife under that thing so it doesn't roll away. Call for the snap ring. So this is pretty cool. I've never actually seen this offered with the with anything, I guess. We're just gonna tear this open. There we go. So they assume that you don't have any tools on you because they give you this little mini snap ring pliers. So we're just, and these little snap rings are for keeping the wheels on. So we're just gonna pop all these on real quick. So one. There's 2. And mind you, this jack, one of the cool things is it's all stainless steel hardware. That one, awesome. All right, got all those on. Then there's one more, looks like one more bolt, washer and lock washer. And that's gonna go, so we get that on. Nice. Pop open my toolkit here. Might actually do a review on this bad boy too. The Boxo tool roll. It's pretty handy. Been using it on the side-by-side, keeping it in my daily vehicles in my truck, so it's right there when you need it. All right, this one in. Yep, that's our winner. Just gonna leave it like that for now. We're good. The extension now can just have it like this, Or you can pop this extension in here, turn it, lock it in, and then this pin here, you can even extend it a little bit more. So, going back to the beginning, my uses of this jack, main use will be for the UTV. So when we're jacking up the UTV, the suspension, I'm going to call it, extends so far that a regular floor jack, you have to stack a bunch of pieces of wood underneath it, and then it gets a little sketchy because you have, whatever you have laying around the shop, whether it's two 4x4s, a combination of a 2x4, 4x4, or 6x6, it can get a little sketchy. So this will help out a ton. And then, let's see here, get that pin in there. Then stores in here, just like that. And there's like two little clamps. Yeah, perfect. Look at that. Cool. So what else? Got handles. Now these things, wow, these things definitely feel sturdy. Really sturdy, actually. So looks like two-piece design. So there's like I'm gonna say like a square drive in there. So that means this. Go here. Pop that in. That's nice, and it comes with a pad. That's good. Set screw. There's a screw in there. Great. Put this in. Tighten that up. Lock piece there. Look at that. Oh. Try jacking this thing up. Look at that. Okay, so we gotta pull the handle out then. Pull this out. Let's put the extension on once. Pop that out. There. Let's jack it up and see what happens. Bam. Now that is what I call a floor jack. That is a monster. Hence the name Kratos. Makes sense. Well, pop off the handle with the little screw. Beautiful. So the lift height is 2 feet 4 inches. So a total of 28 inches of lift height. That is pretty massive for a floor jack. So cool. Stay tuned. This is a good one. I'm excited to use this. Looks like it was a really good purchase. I needed a floor jack anyways, so it's perfect. So stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment. Let your friends know, let your family know. Let us know what you want to see more of, what you don't want to see. Catch you later.